Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking and unblocking cloud access on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Blocking cloud access is a good option if you don't want your child to have access to other content on your Amazon account. Doing this will mean that they cannot download any age-inappropriate books from your account onto their Kindle. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Parental Controls. Then tap Restrictions. Tap the toggle to the right of Cloud to enable and disable access to the cloud. You will have to enter the parental control password to continue. Once you have changed the setting, tap OK in the bottom right. When the cloud or any parental control settings are disabled, you will have to enter the password to get into the parental controls. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.